Here I have TCL Tab 10s NxtPaper, I mean. And today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open camera, and then when we in just normal photo mode, you have to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So I just hold it and now I'm taking 20 shots. Here we can review them all. And like you can pick the one that fits you best and delete others. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.